Hello friends, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, we are going to talk about e-wallet. Okay, we are going to deep dive into e-wallet. I want to explain everything that you need to know about e-wallet. For those that are in estate and you don't know what e-wallet is, this video will help you to understand what e-wallet is and to tell you how powerful this wallet is. Now, the e-wallet is an internal wallet within your back office in estate, just so you know, right? It is not a wallet that is external, it's internal wallet that you can use to make transactions in estate. So I am going to dive into my back office. This is my back office and this is my dashboard. And right here, you will see on your dashboard, you will see where it says e-wallet. Okay, so now let me show you what you can do with e-wallet. Okay, but first of all, before I click open wallet, let me explain what this is all about. So here you will see your e-wallet. Here it will display the number of or the quantity of ETK token that you have. Now remember, I have done a separate video on ETK. For those of you that don't know the meaning of ETK, the ETK is the token, internal token that you get given by performing daily activities within your back office. So if I click open the wallet, it will give you more details about the wallet. Now, right here, we see wallet balance. Okay, and you will see where it says manage your funds easily. At the moment, there's nothing in this wallet because I have not moved my profit from my assets, okay, tab into this wallet, into my e-wallet. So at the moment, you will see 0 activities. Now, for the past 1 month, you can toggle between 7 days, 1 month, 1 year, and this will now give you like a bar chart or flow chart of your financial status in your e-wallet in your back office. Now, the most important part, bit that says e-wallet management, this is where you perform all your transactions. Okay, so this is where you deposit and this is where you withdraw. Very important for you to understand, how it works with the e-wallet. It is an internal wallet, it's not an external wallet. Here, if you select deposit, you will have different payment options. Okay, so if I click into the default payment option or the default payment method, that is Theta USDT TRC20, you will see that it will open up and display more cryptocurrencies, about 32 plus different cryptocurrencies that you can use to deposit into this platform, right? So they have Theta BEP20, they have Theta Solana, they have Theta Tron, they have Theta Polygon, they have Theta Arbitrum, they have Theta Optimism, they have Theta Avalanche, they have USDC ERC20, they have it on different networks, BEP20, Solana, they have it on Polygon as well. And then they have the ultimate, the mother of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. So it means you will be able to deposit into this platform with Bitcoin. Okay, and they have it on different networks as well. So they have it on BEP20 and then they have Ethereum on 2 networks. Ethereum on ERC20 network, and then they have Ethereum on BEP20 network. They have Litecoin, they have BNB, they have Tron, they have Ripple, they have Solana, they have Solana on BEP20 network, they have Dogecoin, they have Toncoin, they have Polygon, they have Near Protocol, they have Dash, they have Zcash, they have Bitcoin Cash, they have Cardano, they have official Trump. So all of these are different types of cryptocurrencies that you can use to deposit into this account, into this platform. Now, if I toggle to the withdrawal tab, you will notice that you have also different options for you to be able to withdraw. But you will not see any option here if you have not added that wallet address in your back office. So if I toggle on that particular payment method for my withdrawal wallet, you will notice that I have added 3 types of wallet in my back office. Okay, so I have Theta BEP20, I have Theta TRC20, I have BNB BEP20. So these 3 different withdrawal methods is the ones I have added in my back office I can use to withdraw within my e-wallet. Okay, now how do you add all these wallet addresses in your back office? It's simple. Go to your name, click on the drop down arrow, click on settings, and then while you are on settings, you go to payment method. Once you are on payment method, you will notice that they have about 10 different cryptocurrencies that you can add your address on and you can withdraw your money from. All right, so they have Theta TRC20, Theta ERC20, Theta BEP20, Theta Polygon, USDC ERC20, Bitcoin, Ethereum ERC20, Litecoin, BNB BEP20, and they have Solana. So they have 10 different, I think it's 10, 1 2 3 4 5, yes, so it's 10 different cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw your profit from. So guys, this is great. And once you've added all of these your wallet addresses, you can add only one if you want to withdraw with only one type of cryptocurrency. For me, I like to withdraw from different cryptocurrencies, but so far I think I've kept it consistent with Theta BEP20. But of course, you have the option to add 10 different withdrawal options wallet for you, right? So once that is done, you will now be able to see it when you come back to your e-wallet. Yeah, and then you select withdrawal, and then you will now see all the wallets you have added. Okay, and this is not the only thing that the e-wallet can do for you. The e-wallet can also do internal transfer for you. Okay, so right here you will see the internal transfer section where it says e-wallet transfer. And then what you can do is, if you have money and you want to sponsor your friend or your family for the person to be able to purchase the fractional real estate, you will now ask for the person's email address that the person have used to register in e-estate, right? So once you have that email address, you paste the email address there or type in the email address, then you enter the amount that you want to transfer to the person, and then there is a fee, just so you know. Okay, so there is a fee here. They said will be sent, and then there is a fee here. So there will be little fee that you have to pay. Okay, and then you enter your PIN code, and then you click transfer fund, and that fund will be transferred to the person's account. Okay, so these are the different benefits of the e-wallet and what the e-wallet can do for you. Okay, so just to summarize what the e-wallet can do for you, the e-wallet can do internal transfer for you, the e-wallet can do deposit for you, the e-wallet can do withdrawal for you, and the e-wallet as well, you can move and transfer your money from your assets. So if I go back to my assets, okay, click on my assets, and you will see my total tokenized real estate profit for the day, right? So if I click transfer, it's going to ask me to enter the amount I want to transfer and enter my PIN code, and then I will now click withdraw to e-wallet. Okay, so these are the profit that is coming from the real estate you have purchased, okay, on a daily basis. Remember, we earn from Mondays to Friday. So all your property that you have purchased, if you have more than one property, all the profit will be accumulating in your asset balance. Okay, and then you can transfer from your asset balance to your e-wallet. And once it is on your e-wallet, okay, once it is showing on your e-wallet, you will now be able to see your wallet balance. Okay, your wallet balance. Usually when you transfer from your assets profit to your e-wallet, it takes less than few seconds to appear here. So you will see your money, sitting there, and then you will now be able to come back to my right hand side here, select withdrawal, and then enter the amount. Select your payment method, which is your withdrawal address you have already added. Enter your PIN and then click submit for that money to get processed. Within 5 minutes you will receive your money. So this is what e-wallet can do for you, and this is what e-wallet is for those that don't understand how powerful e-estate is with all the functionalities that we have within the e-estate. Some people are not even using it at all, right? So this is opportunity for you guys to begin to use your e-wallet properly. Do your internal transfer with your e-wallet. It is possible as long as you have the recipient's email address that the person have used to register in e-estate. You will be able to transfer money from your own e-estate account to the person's e-estate account. You will also be able to deposit your own money from 32 different cryptocurrencies. You will also be able to withdraw your profit, and you will have the opportunity to add about 10 different withdrawal addresses into your back office. So these are the things that you can get from your e-estate. I hope this video tutorial helps you to understand what e-wallet means. Now, for those that are looking to join my team in e-estate, you are looking for the link. The link is actually below this video description. If you click on the link will allow you to register. Okay? And once you finish your registration, you will be able to complete your KYC. Immediately you finish your registration, you will see on your page of your registration telling you to complete your KYC. What is KYC? It's just uploading your government approved ID, and then afterwards you will do selfie. And then once you finish your selfie, you are done. Within 3 minutes, your KYC will be approved. Once it is checked and verified that you are the true likeness of the document you have uploaded, the CEO will send you an email to confirm that your verification has gone through, and then afterwards you will be able to deposit your money and then be able to purchase your real estate and begin to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis. Hands-free, 100% automated. Also, you will have the opportunity to activate your auto compounding. Okay, if you wish to activate your auto compounding at that point in time when you are purchasing your real estate. So the platform is quite simple, and it has all these statistical functions or functionalities that we can use, but people are not using it. For example, this e-wallet, right? So guys, this is it. Please join my team if you wish to do so with the link below this video description. The videos on how to register, deposit, complete your KYC, purchase your real estate, that are all there in the video description below. Now, for those that are brand new to my channel, if you've not subscribed, please do so with the subscription button below this video description. Remember to activate the bell button as well, right? So just switch on the bell button so that you will get notified once I upload new video. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video.